I found a Forex E.A make 600% profit within 2 months. As you can see, I deposited $60,000, and E.A make profit $123,000, which is 200% profit within 2 months, and I have withdraw all money. This video cover the following topics. 1. Testing this Forex E.A for 3 random years. 2. Instruction to register a Forex broker. 3. Instruction to install this E.A. 4. Strong money management. I have backtested this E.A for 2 months period on 3 different years and 3 different currency pairs. The 3 tests are completed. The test result for Australian dollar to Canadian dollar on year 2019 August and September. Capital is $2,000. First trade make 4 cent profit only, so my account balance become $2,000.04. Then second trade make profit $2.38, so my account balance become $2,002.42. So at beginning my balance is $2,000, and at the end my balance become $2,240. So it mean I am earning around 10% profit within 2 months period. It is less profit, I know. How about the risk? The drawdown is 6% only. It is very low risk. Now let's check on the test result for Euro to Japanese Yen on year 2021 April and May. Capital is $2,000. And at the end my balance become $2,971, which is around 49% profit. 2 months make around 50% profit. Sound good, isn't it? How about the risk? The drawdown is 69%, which is considered as high risk. Don't worry about the high risk, because I will teach you how to have a good money management to overcome the high risk. Now let's check on test result for Euro to US dollar on year 2004 February and March. Capital is $2,000. When this E.A is making profit, my account balance keep increasing. From $2,000 to $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, $6,000, $7,000, $8,000, $9,000, $10,000, $12,000, $13,000. And at the end my balance become $13,193, which is more than 600% profit within 2 months. 2 months make 600% profit. Sounds super good, isn't it? How about the risk? The drawdown is around 67%, which is considered as high risk. Again, don't worry about the high risk because I will teach you the strong money management later. You need to register a Forex broker, then only you can install this Forex E.A. Question: can I use my own broker for this E.A? Answer: if your broker has the following 3 conditions, then you may use it. 1. Do not charge swap fee. 2. Do not charge commission. 3. Low spread. My FBS broker have the 3 conditions above. You may register account from my FBS broker affiliate link. If you don't know what is swap fee and commission fee, I am going to explain it to you now. Note that when you are locking the trades overnight, many brokers may charge you swap fee every night. Example, when you are holding your trades, didn't close your trade before 12 a.m. midnight, then your account balance will be deducted to pay for swap fee. If swap fee is $1 per night. And when you are locking your trades and holding your trades over 10 days. So you get charged $1 swap fee times 10 night equals total $10 swap fee. Are you willing to pay $10 for swap fee? If no, then I can introduce you FBS broker which don't charge swap fee. I have put my FBS broker affiliate link at this video description. You may click on my FBS affiliate link to register a free account. Please follow this 11 steps to register a free FBS account to yourself. Step 1. Open my FBS affiliate link. Step 2. Click red color Open Account. Step 3. Enter your email address and full name. Step 4. Click Register as Trader. Step 5. Set your password and log into your email account to verify your email. Step 6. Click Open Account at green color, Cent category. Step 7. Select MetaTrader 4. Step 8. Select USD. Step 9. Select 1 to 1000 leverage. Step 10. Click Open Account button. Step 11. Take a photo on your MT4 info for future use. I am going to teach you how to download and install FBS MT4 software onto your computer now. On your computer or laptop, open Google Chrome, then go to www.fbs.com. Then click Trading Platform. Then click MetaTrader 4. Then click Download. And Windows section click Download. Then open the file to install FBS MT4 to your computer. I have already installed it, so I am not going to install it again now. After install it, you will see FBS MT4 icon on your desktop. Open it. Instruction to install EA. Step 1. Log in your MT4 account by your FBS account info that you took photo just now. Step 2. Download my EA file and setting file from the following link. Step 3, add my EA file to your MT4. Step 4, add my setting file to your MT4. Step 5, open Euro to US dollar chart. Change time frame to 15 minutes chart, because this EA is suitable for 15 minutes chart. Step 8, check Happy Smile emoticon. If emoticon is sad face, then you need to enable Allow Auto Trading option. Now you should see Happy Smile face emoticon. Step 9, open Australian dollar to Canadian dollar chart. Change time frame to 15 minutes chart, because this EA is suitable for 15 minutes chart. Step 10, open Euro to Japanese yen chart. Change time frame to 15 minutes chart, because this EA is suitable for 15 minutes chart. Click bottom menu trade, your account balance is $0. You need to go FBS website deposit money into your MT4 account. Check the account number from MT4, make sure you deposit money to the right account number. $50 is minimum to trade 3 currency pairs. Strong money management. As we know, this EA makes profit around 10% to 600% within 2 months. So there is chance you deposited $50 and make $300 profit, which is 600% profit within 2 months. But there is chance to lose money and burn account, so we need a strong money management. You must follow strictly the following 3 money management. 1. You must withdraw all profit on 60th day of trading. Example, 5th of July start trading, then 5th of September must withdraw all profit. I understand on 60th day, you might still have some active trades, you must close them manually, but the EA will immediately open new trade with bigger lot size if you close the trade manually, so you must disable automated trading option before closing all trades manually. Then you withdraw all profit. Left only capital inside. Then enable back automated trading option so that the EA open first trade with small lot size. What happen if you don't withdraw all profit on 60th day? Well, it might burn account on 80th day and lose all money. So if you withdraw all profit, example $300 profit on 60th day, Then on 80th day you burn account loss your capital $50, so it mean you are still net profit $250. 2. Do not top up money when your active trades floating almost margin call, almost burn account. Why? It is because it is martingale EA, so new trades are very big lot size. Even when you top up money, the market move few pips is able to burn your account too because too big lot size. Just let it burn your account. As long as 1 year you withdraw profit for 3 times and burn account for 3 times, you are still making profit. For example, withdraw 3 times x $100 profits equals $300 profit. Deduct 3 times burn account x $50 capital. You are still making $150 net profit. And if luckily market love you, you can make 600% profit per withdrawal. 3. Set your target. If you want to make money for living from this EA example, if you want to make $600 monthly, then how much capital you need to invest? Well, let's say this EA average make 300% within 2 months, so 1 month make 150% profit only. So you need to invest $400 capital, then only you can make $600 profit every month. But if $400 is all money you have, I suggest you don't all in $400. Why? It is because we need to have enough money for 3 continued loss in a row. So if you have $400 only, then you should invest $100 only, so if lost 3 times, you lost $300 total. The last $100 capital might earn 600% profit, which is $600 cover all your previous loss and still make $300 profit. As long as you follow this 3 money management points strictly, I am sure you will be very happy with this EA. This is the end of this video. I wish you good luck on your Forex trading. Don't forget to subscribe my channel so that you won't miss out my new video when I have new powerful EA. Thanks for watching.